for me, the kind of major sort of early historical interest in Yiddish goes back to like early 20th century and popular culture and the use of Yiddish or the contact of Yiddish and English in popular music and skits and humor, that kind of thing. The kind of thing that, for example, Henry Saposnick's research also kind of overlaps with. So it's more sort of like American popular culture, entertainment, and music, which kind of goes back to my kind of music interest too. Especially, kind of linguistic phenomena. If you read, like, for example, the Vorwärts newspaper, in the old days, like when it was founded by Abe Kahn, a lot of purists about Yiddish language would make fun of it and call it potato Yiddish, right? They'd say it's, because they don't know the word for potato in Yiddish, sort of thing, so they say potato in English. And die Winde instead of das Fenster, and die Nächstörica, and die Abstersica, these kinds of classic American Yiddish words. For me, I'm interested in just sort of how people speak naturally. And this is where Pennsylvania Dutch and Yiddish in America share a lot in common. It's like, just listen to the folk, listen to the way that people talk, and you learn a lot about their attitudes, about sort of cultural contact, multilingualism, multiculturalism, and then also on the sort of linguistic structural side, they're very interesting phenomena to look at when you have languages in contact like this.